Welcome back to cooking every single recipe from the official Five Nights at Freddy's cookbook. Today we're making Funtime Chica's Harissa chicken wings. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below. To start off, you're going to want to whisk just under a cup of buttermilk in a large bowl with 3 tablespoons of Harissa paste. You're going to want a big bowl because then you're going to put your chicken wings into it. You're going to want to cut your chicken wings at the joint if they aren't already. Then you're just going to put this to marinate in the fridge for 2 hours or overnight. Now, after those 2 hours, you're going to want to mix half a cup of cornstarch, 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and then you're going to whisk that all together and shake off the marinade of your chickens and coat them in your cornstarch mix and put them on a lined baking sheet. Once you're done coating on your chicken wings, you're going to spray them with cooking oil, and then you're going to put them in the oven at 400 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the internal temperature is 165 Fahrenheit or 82 Celsius. Now, while those are cooking, you can mix Frank's Red Hot, 3 tablespoons, with 2 tablespoons of honey and the juice of 1 lime, or you can use any hot sauce, but I use Frank's Red Hot. Also, while it's cooking, you want to mix 1 tablespoon of tahini, juice of 1 lemon, and 2 cloves of garlic crushed in a bowl, and make your dipping sauce. These are really good. I made too many, so most of the leftovers are currently chilling in the freezer, pun intended. But I would definitely make these again. Less. I don't know, like 8.5 out of 10.